What's up, people? So we're gonna analyze for this week. So we start with the US dollars index to actually know what's happening in the overall market. So on the US dollar index, what's happening? The US dollar is on an uptrend. There's been an uptrend. So all our ideology now is to sell any currency trading against US dollars, which means US dollars is strong and the currency is weak. So we start with Australian US dollars. Since we know our US dollars index is on a long trend, then any pair trading against US dollars, we went to short. So Australian US dollars, we can see it's trading above the support line. So support line. So we have to avoid this trade this week. Let's try European USD. So Euro USD is also trading above the support line, which is this yellow line. So it's kind of touching it. Let's see, maybe there'll be opportunity this week. Mm, there's an opportunity this week to trade this. Let's try one more pair, which is USD Canadian dollars. So this we have to buy instead of what selling. So it's on the support line. Let's see. We need to go to lower time frame to have more details on what actually is happening. You should avoid it this week too. It's also trending down. This possibility is going to go below the support line, which is a bad sign for us. So USD pairs this week, avoid them. Second pair we're going to focus on now is Japanese yen. So we'll start with Japanese yen currency index to see what's happening in the overall market. So on the monthly time frame at first, as usual, what's happening? Japanese yen is on a short position. It's selling down. So everything we know it's trading down. For commodities, it's trading down, but at this time it's reversing up. The only time we believe for it to be reversing up, which is now on an uptrend, if it breaks this straight line here, which is this red blue line here for the weekly, it could break above it, then we're on an uptrend. But for now, we're still on a downtrend. So start with USD Japanese yen. Since we know it's on a downtrend, any any currency trade here against it should be on an uptrend. So we'll be looking to buy on USD Japanese yen. So at the moment, it's still looking. Should avoid this. It's no longer on an uptrend, now it's on a downtrend. You can see this resistance line here, it touches it here. But for us to find more details, we need to go to this lower time frame, which is start with the weekly. On the weekly time frame, it hasn't gone below this blue line here for the weekly. So there's still hope. But for this week, we're still avoiding this trade. It's reversing down, so US Japanese yen, avoiding it. So let's go to one more trade. So Australian dollars, Japanese yen. It goes with our ideology to buy. It's trading above, or it's went below our resistance line. So let's just see probably this opportunity. Should avoid this week, but it's gone below the resistance line, which is against our buy signal. So I'm up here. So New Zealand, Japanese yen. Start with the monthly. You can see this is above the support line for the monthly time frame. It's trading above it, you can see. So there's opportunity to buy here this week. So let's go into the lower time frame to know where exactly to buy. So last week it touches this our support line, went up, so it's like showing more signal that we should buy. So we know for the weekly time frame that this week we are going to buy New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. So daily time frame to know where to buy. So on the daily time frame it touches here and it went up, so we should buy around here, but it's taking its time to form a pattern here to know first if you're to buy. So what time frame? 4 hours. Yeah, you can see what I'm saying. It's forming a pattern to buy. So next week we probably will buy around here. Should see something like this. Should have something like this. So next week we know we are buying around here till here. So New Zealand, Japanese yen is a buy next week. So now to the next pair. Now we start with the British pound currency index to know what's actually in the overall market. So monthly time frame at first. So on the monthly time frame, we can see it's on an uptrend. It broke above this support line now. It's on an uptrend. It's been on a downtrend for some while now. It's an uptrend. So we're looking to buy. We'll start with Great British Pound Canadian dollars on the monthly time frame. Since now we are to buy, we see it's on an uptrend. In fact, it has broke this support line. It's been an uptrend for some while. So let's go to the weekly time frame to know if you're going to trade it this week. So the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, it signals that it's a buy this week. Why the ISO? Once you see this blue vertical, I said vertical, this blue horizontal line, it's a support or resistance line for the weekly time frame. The yellow is for the monthly, and this green is for the daily. So you could see it's trading above this blue support line. So it's a buy this week. Let's go to daily time frame. On daily time frame, it also signals that it's a buy. And on the 4 hour time frame, can see it touches this line and it shows a sign that it's going to trend up. So be looking to trade it up. Yep. So Great British Pound, Canadian dollars. You're looking to trade it up. You need to be looking to buy. So more P on the Great British Pound. So European Euro, Great British Pound. Start with the monthly time frame. On the monthly time frame, our instinct is what is to sell because of we know what Great British Pound is strong. Now on the support and resistance line for the monthly time frame, which is this yellow line, you could see it's trading below the resistance line. So it goes with our signal to what sell. So this month, this opportunity here throughout this month,